Di na po ito mayor. Ang atong makusog nga partner, ang kapadlagan sa atong dinagyang sa Iloilo Festivals Foundations Incorporated, Chairman Mr. Jackie Peña, Vice Chairman Mr. Felipe Oigongco, President Alan Ryan Tan, Vice President John Alexander K. Corporate Secretary Angel De Leon Jr. Ang kauyak sa kwarta si Dr. Roland Uy. Ang Assistant Treasurer si Miss Ivy Correa. Atong trustees Dr. Ronald Sebastian, Dr. Rogelio Florete Sr., Honorable Honorato Tatoy Espinosa, Mr. Jan Lex Bayumbong, Mr. Well Castro, Dr. Ronald Lito. Aratak din doon. Kag si Mr. Jose Laison Jr. Napakantagin sila. Ari man di mga bisita ta, ang aton gate si Don Jose Espinosa III, Hermano Mayor. Doña Gina Sarabia Espinosa, Hermana Mayor. Ang aton ng mga bisita, His Excellency Aylan Los, Embassy of Israel. Upod yang iyang asawa si Madam Gila Flos. May-ari man kita Mayor, aling sa Guam, lapakantagin si Honorable J.P. Suswico. Palangga nato ni kay kada tuig, ari diri. Ari man diri ang ato ng mga senador. Dahon ko, ang upod ko pa, aling sa college, kag sa college Glo, hasta sa League of Cities, si Senator Francis Tolentino, si Senator Bato de la Rosa, ang aton Deputy Speaker, Congresswoman Camille Villar, former Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Ontivero, Ding Chel Diokno, ang palangga ko mga gobernador, ang akon gobernador, galing wala ko kabuto sa iya, Governor Toto Defensor, kag iya nga palangga nga First Lady napakanato. Kasi malipatan ko, ang akon nga isa gidla nga First Lady, Rosalie Sarabia Trenia. Ang aton Vice Mayor, dalayaman ang iyang First Lady, lakpakantagi, si Gertie Gansot. Ayari pa kundi mga listahan, kasi katapos ko, paus na ko. Ang aton Pura Paroko, Reverend Father Nelson Serda, Palapitan niyo ko. Siliya, sa nagamasakit ka, nagapangamuyo, feel kami sa imo. Salamat din, Father. May ari pa di ba lang mo? Peace Echo International Philippines, Alexi Brook. Pandit ko ni Alexi Brook. Miss Iloilo 2025. Karen Mendoza. Picture. Karen Mendoza, picture. Taga-Maasin. Miss Iloilo Heartfelt Queen, Elaine Sigura. Kag si Rhea Puyo. Ubus ko na ni. Oh, tapos na. So na ta ha, para sugod na dinabya. Kadali na ka mo. Why ka mo kadali, Guru? Kadali ka mo? Ito si Gon ni basa. Today, we once again gather to celebrate our Dinagyang Festival, a testament to our living faith, unity, and vibrant culture. Ay, nalipat ko. Ang t-shirt ko din ginatag ni Jobert Peña-Florida sa Island Souvenir. Fiesta Festival. Ano yung tanawan nyo? Nalipat ako. So, balik ko anay, ha? Today, we once again gather to celebrate our Dinagyang Festival, a testament to our living faith, unity, and vibrant cultural heritage. This festival has always been a reflection of who we are as a community and what we aspire to be, as reflected in our faith, in our theme, buhi ang pagtuo sa kinabuhi sa mga Ilonggo. Our faith is intricately woven into the fabric of our daily lives, guiding us through both trials and triumphs, through the challenges of the past and today. This faith has remained unshaken, steadfast, and true. Mga pinalangga ko ng mga Ilonggo, I earnestly appeal to all of you to continue with our steadfast faith and unity, because this will be our guiding light towards progress and prosperity. Iloilo City has come a long way. Madumduman ko pala, konsyal ako 1986. Subong 2025 na. Baka damgo ka mo ayhan, kundiin kita nagaling, kakundiin na kita subong. Lapakan na din. And while we have achieved so much, we still have a long way to go in our journey towards continued progress, so that each Ilonggo will have a home, each Ilonggo will be able to eat 3 times a day, each Ilonggo will have access to education, each Ilonggo will have access to medical health, kag tanan nga kinahanglan nila sa ilang pangabuhi. It can be done, and Iloilo City will show the way to the whole Philippines. It is in this faith and unity that will carry us forward and help us overcome any obstacles that we face today. through the years, the Dinagyang Festival has served us as a reminder to us Ilonggos that we can stand the time, becoming stronger and becoming prouder each year. And today, as we revel in music, dance, and art, let us also recommit to our core values: compassion, unity, resilience, inclusiveness, and cultural pride. These values have always been pillars of our community, and they will continue to guide us as we continue to build a brighter future for all Ilonggos. Let us honor our rich heritage by preserving our traditions and passing them on to future generations. It is through this tradition that we maintain identity and ensure that the spirit of Dinagyang and Senyor Santo Niño lives on. As we look ahead, let us strive to build a brighter tomorrow, grounded in faith, resilience, and our unmistakable Ilonggo spirit. Mga pinalangga ko sa Ilonggo, let us celebrate with fervor. Let our voices resound with pride. Let our hearts beat as one. Together we can achieve greater things for our beloved Iloilo City. Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Happy Dinagyang sa atong tanan. Madamo gid ka salamat. Hala pira!